Hi there everybody, so in today's video I have this Peugeot 307 2007 and the little spanners come on. Thus it's due a service now, and if you need to reset it, basically what we need to do is if you press and hold this button here, so we're just gonna try to get this done. Okay, so press and hold that button and then turn the ignition on, and that will come up, that counter. And when it's in 0, you can release that button there, and then this next service will be 19,800 miles. And that's it. That's the little spanner gone now. Anyway, so hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.